Hi, this is Mike Dingle, and I'd like to talk to you about TrackPro Lite Secure. TrackPro Lite Secure, or TPLS, is software that works with the AeroTrack Plus A100 portable particle counter. It provides an alternative method for instrument configuration, reviewing data, and generating reports. In this video, we will look at how to manage users and settings. The first time TPLS is opened, you will be prompted to create a super user. The super user has all permissions assigned to them. If you require actions taken in TPLS to be attributed to individual users, it is recommended to immediately create a new user assigned to the admin role and log out the super user. To create an admin user, select TPLS users under File in the menu bar. Click on the Create New User button. Enter a username and password. This will be a temporary password which the new user will be prompted to update when they log in for the first time. Select Admin for the role and click on the Save button. We can now log out the super user and log back in as the newly created admin. Update the password when prompted. The admin can now create other users. Follow the same process as before, assigning each user with the appropriate role. Note, only users assigned to the admin role or the super user can create new users, reset passwords, or change the administrative settings. If a user has forgotten their password, the admin can reset by selecting the user in the table. They will enter a new password and click Save. Again, the user will be prompted to update this password when they next attempt to log in. Admins can also make changes to the administrative settings. Any changes made to these settings will be saved when the TPLS users window is closed. Thanks for learning about managing users and settings in TPLS. Look for additional videos from TSI to learn more about using the AeroTrack Plus with TPLS.